Experience the perfect interplay of the SIMATIC S7-1200 with a new task-oriented engineering framework, modular controllers, and the integrated WinCC BASIC for the configuration of SIMATIC panels. This podcast provides you with an overview of process visualization with the integrated WinCC. It is easy to configure SIMATIC HMI panels for visualization of your process. From the portal view, you start by adding a new device. Select an HMI panel and name it according to its purpose. If you want to use the HMI device wizard to guide you through the design of your screens, select the checkbox. For this example, however, you will see how to design your process visualization without the use of the wizard. In the project view, you can add a new screen for the new HMI device. If you have existing graphical elements in a library, you can add them to your screen. If you have existing templates, perhaps from another HMI, you can add the templates to your HMI. Simply drag the selected one from the templates of one HMI to the templates of the other. You can modify the template for this HMI and apply the modified template to your screen. If you later change the design of the template, it automatically updates on this screen and any other screen to which the template has been applied. Switching to the network view of the device configuration, note that this HMI is not yet connected to a PLC. When you add tags from a PLC to your HMI screen, the connection is established. You can easily drag tags from the details view of the PLC and drop them on your HMI screen. You can also drag tags to your screen from the program editor. Here we will split the screen and arrange the windows so that we can easily drag from the program editor to the HMI screen. You can see the properties of the input-output field that you just added. You can now see that the network connection between the PLC and the HMI has been established for you. Also, you can group objects on your screen into layers. Let's group the two graphical objects together and put them on their own layer. In the Properties window, you can see the properties of the objects and make changes if you wish. Of course, you can also rename the layers. While editing, you might also find it useful to hide layers. Click the eye symbol to hide or show a layer. You can also add a new screen to your HMI and make it accessible from a button on another screen. Simply create the screen and drag it to an existing screen. Your existing screen will now have a button from which you can access the new screen. You can also drag a screen to a function key. The function key will now provide access to that screen. In the Properties, if you expand the events of the F6 key, you see that when the key is pressed, screen 3 will be displayed. These are just a few of the many features of process visualization with the integrated WinCC. Process control between the HMI and PLC has never been easier. Additional information is provided on our website.